Joshua Tan. Today I'm going to show you one Bible apps that is very good, English and Mandarin. This one on top there, on the fourth there, right, top right. Press it and you can see they can it's an audio Bible. Let's say 1 Corinthians 14. You just press it and then it will sound.
你们要追求爱，也要切慕属灵的恩赐，其中更要羡慕的是做先知讲道。那说方言的原不是对人说，乃是对神说，因为没有人听出来。然而他在心灵里却是讲说各样的奥秘。但做先知讲道的
So this is very good. Let's say you want the Old Testament, you just press the Old Testament. And Genesis, let's say you press it, chapter 1, and then this is verse 1. Alright, just press the initial button that you will read. Just press play. There you are.
创世纪起初，神创造天地，地是空虚混沌，渊面黑暗。神的灵运行在水面上。
Very impressive indeed. Yeah, so enjoy your apps.